बड़ी खबर आप सबके लिए, जहां पर आपको बता दें कि नंदा देवी जो इंडिया की एक बड़ी कश्ती है जहां से एलपीजी लेकर आया जा रहा है, नंदा देवी के अंदर जामनगर से ये आ चुकी है। ये स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज़ जो सबसे राइट नाउ ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है, सबसे कंट्रोवर्शियल चल रहा है कि इस रास्ते से कुछ भी नहीं गुजर सकता है। तो वहां से ईरान ने इंडिया के जितने भी शिप से उन्हें आगे बढ़ने दिया है। तो जो एलपीजी का जो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, तो ये एलपीजी की ये कश्ती अब हिंदुस्तान को पहुंच चुकी है। उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले वक्त में ईरान इसी तरीके से इंडिया को कोऑपरेट करेगा और एलपीजी की जो सप्लाई है जो उसके सामने से गुजरती है उस पर हमला नहीं करेगा और हिंदुस्तान को एलपीजी गैसेस रेगुलर से मिलते रहेंगे। इसके अलावा भी उम्मीद ये है कि हिंदुस्तान अलग अलग कंट्री से टाइप करेगा और एक ही सोर्स पर डिपेंड ना रहते हुए मल्टीपल सोर्सेज पे अगर वो अपनी खुवत लगाता है तो इससे देश पर और इकोनॉमिक पर काफी असर बेटर हो सकता है।
This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mannur Multi-Speciality Hospital, KBN University, Kebab Corner Restaurant and Banquets, Imran Silk House, Alchere Group of Institutions, and by Ideal with G.
So Nanda Devi vessel has just arrived at early morning today at 2:30 a.m. and it has come with a parcel size of 46,500 metric tons of LPG. Now it has come here for ship-to-ship transfer. So and this operation will take place in the anchorage area and the high seas. The daughter vessel is BW Birch. So that vessel has also arrived. The equipments for ship-to-ship transfer are being arranged by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So it will be placed alongside and the operation will start at around 3.
So how far it was stationed, nearly 10 nautical mile or what, and how it was, the LPG was resupplied?
So it is still, as I said, it has arrived in the early morning and it is anchored there in the anchorage area in the around 5 nautical miles from this place. And the daughter vessel is also standing there. And the fenders are being arranged, so they are being towed. So in another 1.5 hours, it will be placed side to side, and then the operation will start.
So as you said, the government priority was to handle this ship first. How it was?
So it is an instruction and direction from the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Our honourable Shipping Minister is also in touch, regular touch with all of us. He has directed that any LPG vessel coming to any of the ports is to be given priority. So it is to be dealt on a high priority and it is to be berthed and provided all facilities for efficient discharge. And there should be no delay in discharging of the vessel.
The last question, you met the crew members also, and you also met the crew members. Everything is okay?
Everything is okay. They are all happy. We have met them and we have offered them. We have felicitated them and we have thanked them for bringing this parcel here. And we have given them this assurance that any facility or any support is required from our side of any kind, we are here to support.
Any more ships are coming to the Vadinga port?
So we are in regular touch with the Ministry and Government of India. So as and when we get this information, we are in readiness. So whenever we get the information, we will handle it.
This video is sponsored by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mannur Multi-Speciality Hospital, KBN University, Kebab Corner Restaurant and Banquets, Imran Silk House, Alchere Group of Institutions, and by Ideal with G.